Pearson yn ennill y bêl gyntaf. Evans, Bosco yn ara. Pearson yn eich o, mae James yn llithro yn y cylch canol a mwy o sydyn. Mae hi'n 3 yn erbyn 2. Bacare ryddhau Wignall. Wignall yn troi McCarthy, mynd am y gornel bella. Arbediad da gan Fuller. O, ac yna wedyn am ddiffyn. Gwych gan Emlyn Lewis. Wignall ar ergyd. Efalla bod o 'di rhoi bach gormod o gliw i Fuller, dwi oedd o'n bwriadu wneud. Ond wedi dweud hynny, mi oedd hi'n arbediad da. Evans, allan i Rhys. Yn rhyddhau Roscro, tydi Roscro ddim yn cam sefyll. Baker sydd i fewn yn y canol, Baker! O fewn modfeddi, roi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen. Adam Roscro neu bob dim yn iawn ar y dde. Doedd o ddim yn cam sefyll, di'r ots beth ddeudith Andy Morrison. Baker mor agos. Kick gol John Danby. O, mae'n hedfan dros bawb. Bacare! Yn rhoi'r nomadiaid ar y blaen. Camgymeriad erchyll yn amddiffyn Met Caerdydd. Y bêl yn mynd dros ben bawb a Bacare neu Cosby. Tafliad i Cei Connah. Rob Hughes. O Bacare sydd yn arreoli'r bêl ar ei frest. Owens! Yn ei gwneud sy'n 2 gol i ddim. O Bacare, mi o gyda fo bob hawl i fynd y hun y fanna. Ond yn ei gosod ti ar blat i Andy Owens, ddyblu mantais y tîm cartra. Cei Connah i Cei Connah, Rob Hughes i'w chymryd ti. Ac mae fewn! 2 gol i ddim i'r nomadiaid. Gol gyntaf Rob Hughes i'w glwb. Dwi'm yn siŵr am y dathlu, ond mi fydd y gol yn werth i gweld unwaith eto. Yn dal Will Fuller yn cysgu mae nghefn y rhwyd. Danby'n clirio. Corsby i Lewis yn ei chodi hi'n uchel. Roscro, Evans yn chwarae'r bêl yn ôl i Roscro. Ar draws wyneb y gol a neb yna. Adam Roscro ar draws i gyfeiriad Rhys efallai, ond o Rhys yn di cweit darllan be o Roscro yn geisio i wneud. Cyfle arall yn mynd o wastraff. Cic Rhydd, Rob Hughes i chymryd ti. O, ac i ochr y rhwyd. Geisio dal Will Fuller allan unwaith eto.
I went and watched them last week, and you know, I thought there was things, if they went with the same system, that we would be able to exploit, and we did, and we were very, very efficient in the first half. You know, it could have been maybe a couple more. Very difficult second half because of the emotions of the time of the season. You're 3-0 up. You don't go and win them games 4, 5, 6. The important thing is you keep the clean sheet, and that's what we did, and it was very, very good, very pleasing.
I think you do create your own luck in football, and we spoke in the warm-up about their keeper kicks it long and the ball was skipping off a wet floor, and that's exactly the first goal we scored. So the message were put in place, but we just didn't listen. And I say it was a crazy 10 minutes, and we have to learn from that. Football's about building blocks, and we'll keep on building. If we can build upon the second half performance going into the Druids game in 2 weeks' time, I'll be mightily pleased.
I've just said to the lads, it's in our hands. You know, if we go and win the next 3 games, we're in Europe. It's simple as that, you know, so it's in our hands, and that's what you want. You don't want to be relying on other teams to do you favours, you know, and nobody really has done any favours for us this season. So, you know, we've got to look after ourselves, and if the lads do what I ask of them, they follow the process, you know, over a 32 game season, you know, we won't be far off.
We just got to keep marching on. It's a 30+ season, a game season, and we'll keep digging right to the end. We were in a similar situation last year in the splits where we didn't win many. Got 1 win, 1 draw. And we dug in and we got to a final, and that's what we'll do this year. We're in the top 6. It's tough, the top 6. It's a brutal place. We did all the hard work before Christmas to get into the top 6, then you've got to perform there. And unfortunately at the moment we're not quite performing to the level that the top 6 requires.